Okay, it's September 29, year 2022. Here's another test for low speed and high speed remote Cupid. Okay, this is a low speed, then press another one, high speed. There, low speed, high speed. Okay, next, low speed, high speed, low speed, high speed. There, next. Low speed, high speed, low speed, high speed. Next, low speed, high speed, low speed, high speed. Next, low speed and high speed, low speed, high speed, low speed and high. There, low speed and high, and the last one is the auxiliary. Here. Press on, press off, press on, press off. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.